question number 5 onwards, because in our previous sessions we completed question number 1 to 4. I hope so. You all written in your fair book. Before starting our exercise, let's do our physical exercise in any way, in sitting position. Let's do the little exercise. Just moving head, it is also one kind of exercise. Okay, students? Oh, very nice. Let's start our today's session. That's we already completed up to the question number 4. Now here is your question number 5. Students, look at the questions. What is the questions is there? So question is here. Find the difference between the greatest and the least number that can be written using B. Digits are there 6, 2, 7, 4, 3, each only once. See students, you have a digit 6, 2, 7, 4, 3. What you have to do, student? Using these 5 digits, you have to make a greatest number. Yes, greatest numbers means bigger number has to come first. So out of this 5, who is the greatest? Yes, my dear friend, you are right. 7 is the bigger number. So we can cut 7. Now what are the left, student? 6, 2, 4, 3. Out of this, 6 is bigger. We can cut and write 6 here. Okay, who is bigger now? 2, 4, 3. Yes, 4 is there. That we can write 4. Out of 2 and 3, who is bigger? 3. We can cut 3 and write here 3. And as last is 2. We can write 2. Now this is my biggest, greatest number using these digits. Now what they are asked, difference between greatest and least. Least means smallest. We are knowing how to make the smallest number. Small number will has to come first, or you can write like this way. 2 is first number. After 2 there is a 3, there is a 4, there is a 6, and there is a 7. Yes, my dear student, it's a ulta of this first number. Is it? Yeah, some are very good, very good, very good. Yes, yes, I know you are very smart. You found that one. This number is like this way, make it ulta. Okay? Yes. Now I want to change the color of my pen and show you the answer with minus. Difference, smallest digit and greatest digit. 2 minus 7 possible? No. We can cut 10 place. Now it become 2. Here is the 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 12 minus 7, that means gives us 5. Very good answer, student. That should be a 5. Okay, you get little idea how to write 5 is here. 2 minus 6 is possible? Not possible. So we can cut it here. That means be a 3 here, and this become now 12. 12 minus 6. Yes, 6. 3 minus 4 possible? Not possible. We can cut the previous number, that will become a 5, and now 3 become a 13. Because 3 plus 10, 13. 13 minus 4, yes, right, 9. There are so many ways. I am trying to give more example with a very easy way. Okay, now 5 minus 3, yes, 2. 7 minus 2, yes, 5. So this is the difference between this 5 digit, 52,965. Let's check our answer is right or wrong. You did this in rough note or not? Yes, yes. So very bad. I said you have to come with your rough note. Whatever the operations we are doing here, you can try yourself. Let be there. Wrong answer. Mistakes if you are making, you will learn maths more. That's the magic of maths. If you are making number of mistakes, you will learn maths very easily. Understood? This is our blackboard. Why we are using our blackboard? For doing our sums. And then after rubbing, my whiteboard is here. I am writing with colorful handwriting. Good. Let's see, 52,965 is the answer or not? Yes, my answer is that. Isn't it? Good. So this is the difference. Understood this question? Shall we move for the next question? Yes. Here is the question number 6 of exercise 1.2. A machine on an average. On an average means मालूम है student? नहीं? Suppose you are eating rotis. On Monday you are eating 3 roti. Tuesday you are not feeling well. You eat only 2 roti. So Monday how many roti you ate? 3. Tuesday 2. Okay, third day Wednesday you are not feeling well. You ate only 1 roti. So 3 days how many rotis you ate? 6. On an average means every day minimum you can eat this much. So how many days are there? 3 days are there. So divide by 3. Let's go at the average. Percentage. You remember percentage? Total marks divide by. Yes. How many marks you got it? Average. Well, playing cricket. One match you made this much, second match this much, third match this much. You are dividing a number with total marks. Same way here, total days are 3. So 3 2s are 6. So every day minimum 2 rotis you can eat. Like this way, an example. So machine is there. It is preparing some screws. Manufacturing. Manufacturing means creating the screw. 2,875. How many screws did the machine produced in the month of January 2006? Arey Baba, now it's a 20 is coming, going on, and they ask us in 2006. No problem. Be careful, student. Month of January is how many days? Yes, you tell me. 30. Every month has a 30 days? Yes, every month has a 30 days. But January has 31. Oh, very nice. Anyone else want to say the answer? 28. Ah, very good, very good, very good. Keep it up, keep it up. When 28 is coming in the January? No, February has the 28 days or 29 days. January has how many days? Yes, 31 days are there. So one day, this much is produced. So 31 days, how many screws produced by the company? Manufactured by a company or a machine? We can say it's a multiplication. Simple, very simple. There are 2 ways to multiply a number. I want to put it here. 2,825 is the number. Multiply by 31. And here again I am writing 2,825 multiply by 31. Why I am writing here to both the way are they? To show you multiplication with a multiplier. Multiplicand means first number, second number is a multiplier. Multiplier can multiply in 2 ways because here 2 numbers are there. From the left side and from the right side, or 1 place and 10 place. So from first left side I want to show you, left side is my 3. Yes. So 3 is a 10th place. I want to put it here 1 0 because 10 has a 1 0. Now this 3 has to multiply with 5. 3 5s are 15. 15 is here. What is a carryover? 3 2 is 6. 6 plus 1, 7. Very good student. 8 3 is tables. I gave in homework, and I am always saying to each and everyone, learn by heart tables up to 20. Yes, 8 3 is 24. So 4 will be here, 2 will be the carryover. Now 2 into 3, 2 3 is 6 plus 2, 8. Very good student. Now whose turn is coming? 1's place is 1. So 1 has to multiply with 5. There is no zeros. So 5 ones are 5, 2 ones are 2, 8 ones are 8, and 2 ones are 2. This is my second number. No number is there. That's I will put here 0. Understood? Now add it. 5, 7, 15, 7, 8. 8,700. No, it is 7,575. Is it? No. 8,700. Whatever the numbers are there, student. Shall I made any mistake here? Can you help me how to solve this one? No, correct student. It is 7,575. Or I will teach you one good thing. What the number of 10 place? 3. And what is the number first one? 2,821. Suppose let's say 3,000. Estimated numbers. We will study more about this one. Estimations. So which will gives you a 90,000. My answer should be nearby 90,000. So 87 is 90 by. Okay, now let's for the ones place. Now this ones place means 1. 1 has to multiply. Now second method, right side method. Right side number is 1. 5 ones are 5. 2 ones are 2. 8 ones are 8. 2 ones are 2. Very good. Now 1 works is over. 10's works. 10 is at 3. And 10 plus how many 0? 1 0. Some are putting here cross or some are putting here 0. Both the things are common. 3 5 are 15. 1 is the carryover. 3 2 is 6 plus 1, 7. Good. And 3 8 is 24. 4 is here. 2 is the carryover. Student, 2 is the carryover. Now 2 ones are 2 plus 2, 4. Shall I made mistake or not? Nobody's helped me. What I said? Yes, that's a wrong. That's why purposefully I not said anything. 3 2s are 6 plus 2. That's a 8. What the first number? One number is less. You can put here 0. Understood, student? And then after plus sign. Okay, now plus this both number. 5 into x, that means 5. 2 plus 5, 7. 8 plus 5, 15. 1 is the carryover. 5 is here, student. Now 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 4, 7. And 8. See, both the answer remain the same. You can do rougher in your book also. In both way, answer remain the same. So in the month of January, 87,575 screw manufactured by a machine. Will you write this statement? Easy now? Yes? Good. Let's move for the new question. Question number 7. It's also very easy. Question number 7. A merchant has this much rupees. Rupees sign is that, student. By mistake it is not printed. You can get the idea. 78,592 rupees with her. Merchant is not a surname. Merchant means a businessman or woman. Here is a woman. A merchant having this much amount of rupees. She placed an order for purchasing 40 radio sets at rupees 1200 or 1200 each. How much money will remain with her after the purchase? Student, very interesting questions. They are asking more than one question in one question. Think and write the answer. First of all, what is the cost of one radio? Yes, rupees 1200. And what is the cost of 40 radios? We have to multiply, addition or subtraction. Yes, it is very easy. This is the multiplication, multiply. And here is your favorite question is coming. Yes, Pani Puri, 0, 0, eat it. How many eat it? 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 zeros are there. 3 Pani Puri you ate. Forget it. Now what the number is left? 12 into 4. Will you write what is the answer of 12 into 4? 12 table. Yes? Yes, yes. 12 1 ja 12, 12 2 ja 24, 12 2 ja 36, 12 4 ja 48. Good answer, student. 48. Now add this 48 before the Pani Puri. That is your answer. Check the answer. Yes, here is the answer. 48,000. So, how many rupees merchant has? Yes, this much amount he had. She had. Now out of that, she purchased radio set of 48,000. Yes. So it will be a minus or plus? Yes, minus. Good. Let's do here minus. 2 minus 1, 0, 2. 9 minus 0, 9. 5 minus 0, 5. 8 minus 8, 0. And 7 minus 4, 3. Over this much amount will left or remain with her after purchasing 40 radio sets. You can make your own sentence, students. Understood? Okay? Good. Now last question for today's session is 8th one. Look at here, the question is shown a student multiplied 7,236 by 65 instead of multiplying by 56. By how much was his answer greater than the correct answer? Yes, these things happen in your life. At least one time you are making this type of silly mistake. Change the numbers this way to this way. Flip the question. 56 पूछा था तो 65 करके चले आए. Your answer is right. According to your question, your answer is right. But in exam, what they ask, that we should have to write, not our own numbers. Yes, yes. Some student had the problem in last year also. Sir, I did addition correctly. My number is right. But you change the number, your addition is also right, but you are not get any single marks. Let's check. First of all, both the multiplication and then after comparing the numbers and find the difference. So students, here is the multiplication of the 7,236 multiplied by 65. Answer is 47, 0 and 340. 4,70,340. Now according to the multiplication 56, the same number, the multiplicand is same. See student, you maybe forgot about this one. First number is known as multiplicand, second number is known as a multiplier, and last answer is a product. Be careful. Now second answer is also here 4,05,216. Now difference means subtract it. So I will write here and show how you got the answer. You can do in your rough note also. So we can finalize today's session. 4,05,216. Can you see big numbers on the screen? Yes, you want to change the pen color. Do you like this color? Yes, which color do you like? Pink. Okay, I will take the pink color. Now my color is pink. 0 minus 6 is possible? Not possible. What we can do? We can cut this 4 and put it here 3. Now take the 10 here. Yes, this pink is very good color. Huh? Now next time I will take this one. What is the answer? 10 minus 6, that means 4. 3 minus 2? No, 3 minus 1. Answer is 2. Very fast. Some are telling me direct 2, 2. Okay, 3 minus 2. Now it's a 1. 0 minus 5. Not possible. Here it's a 6. 10 will be here. Okay, 10 minus 5. That should be a 5. See student, I am making mistake. Be careful. What type of mistake you are making? Same mistake I am showing you here. Okay, 6 minus 0, 6 and 0. See, my answer is here 65,124. Is it correct? Yes, not mistake. Oh, beta. Just for showing only. So don't change any numbering. By mistake, if I change here in place of 5, 6, by hurry, you will get a wrong answer. Understood? Very nice. So I hope so you clarify these questions and you found how to get the solution of different type of questions. Good. So we will discuss in next session remaining question of exercise 1.2. Till then, goodbye, Khuda Hafiz, bye bye, take care, be safe, have a good day.